what we're working with. Driver's side is a lot of work. The seam sealer they had was gummy, so they didn't even do that right. The other side, this side over here is not going to require nearly as much work. I'll remove everything and then seam seal it. I already have a good seam sealer. See here. And then, fortunately, this one came out when I was removing the actual window. A little bit here. That'll be easy. That's just going to be, make sure there's nothing behind it. I can get to it. I'm going to sandblast all of this, tape it off and sandblast it. It's going to be the easiest way to do it. But the coolest thing is, look at that original color. I don't know, but that looks like a Bimini blue, or, you know, it's a beautiful color. So in all honesty, it's probably going to go back to that. It's only a matter of time.